I tell you what, 2021 has been an incredible year for sneaker releases. We've had some amazing drops. However, Jordan 4 fans, we have had it extra good. Think about some of the clean pairs that have released this year, the Taupe Haze Jordan 4s, the UNC or the University Blue Jordan 4s, and those crispy, clean white Oreos. It's all been incredibly good. However, today we have another banger. So let's jump into it. Today we're taking a look at the Jordan 4 Lightning. Look at this box. I feel like every Jordan 4 release this year has had a really nice special box. So this one obviously all over yellow on the top, which looks really, really good. You got the huge Jumpman logo with the flight at the bottom. Got that really nice gray and black speckling. I'll give you a little look at that size tag before we pop the lid on these bad boys and take a look at today's pair of sneakers, guys. The return of the clean Jordan 4 Lightning. Look at these. They are super, super clean. Again, another Jordan 4 banger. If you didn't know, these actually originally released back in 2006. And this retro here in 2021 is pretty spot on to that original. I mean, it's pretty much identical. There are some very small changes, particularly the shape and some of this kind of black color that you find on here. It's a little bit lighter. However, for the most part, these are identical to those originals. So if you have some nostalgia about this pair, or maybe you just think that this is a clean colorway, either way, this is a pretty important and crazy sneaker release to drop this year. There's plenty to talk about with the Jordan 4 Lightning, but before we get into all of that, of course, I gotta give you some specifics on this pair of shoes. These are actually upcoming. They're dropping on August the 28th, both here in the EU and out in the US. Now, here in the EU, we did have the whole Sneakers Day release as well. It's like the only good thing that came out of Nike Sneakers Day. So yeah, we kind of got a little bit of an early drop. I know you guys out in the US, you guys get exclusive access a lot of the times. It was kind of like that. It was just popped up on the Nike Sneakers app for everyone, so a decent amount of people managed to get their hands on this pair. The retail price on these is £165 here in the UK, or $200 if you're out in the US. Now, like I was saying, 2021 amazing Jordan 4 sneaker releases. Well, I haven't managed to get any of them. Of course, the hype or the demand for Jordan 4s has been increasing. It's becoming more and more of a more popular silhouette. I guess it's trending, or whatever you would like to say. So all of those colorways are also very clean, but at the same time, very hard to get your hands on. Now, I kind of feel like this is going to have the highest stock out of all of them. I guess this being a very special retro from back in 2006, I guess maybe they knew that the demand was going to be very high on these, so they managed to produce a decent amount of stock numbers. Now, I can't guarantee anything. I don't know the actual number on these, but with all the exclusive access with the previous drop on Nike Sneakers Day, it seems like these are going to be a little bit higher in stock numbers. It's a super, super clean colorway. So obviously all over yellow, pretty much for the majority of the sneaker. So what kind of materials are we getting? Well, I gotta say it feels very nice in hand. This is kind of a suede material, very, very short, nothing nappy or kind of hairy about it. It feels, again, great in hand. I really like the way that this material kind of goes with this colorway as well. So obviously it's pretty much the same material for the entire shoes. Nothing crazy in terms of different materials for different panels. They pretty much keep it the same material throughout. So like I said, this really nice soft material moves throughout all the way towards the back, and even this little pull tab that you have here is the same kind of suede leather material, and of course just underneath that you've got the nice Jumpman logo in black. Tongue is the exact same, very short, soft suede. Feels really good when you're bending the tongue around. Like, this is going to be a nice soft pair of shoes, so it feels really good. You've got the giant Jumpman logo patch, and of course just under that Jumpman you've got the flight text. I really, really like the accent colors on this. It's not black, or at least the majority of it is not black. So if you take a look at this midsole color, it's a very dark gray, so it matches so well with the white on the midsole. And of course, if you take a look at these kind of extending lace holder pieces, I don't actually know what you call this, but that is the same kind of suede material. However, it comes in that really nice gray color. There is some black on here, particularly these plastic lace holders that you find towards the bottom of the laces, and of course on the top. Now you also get the texturized rubber meshing, which that is in black as well. You get it for kind of the underneath the laces area, and then of course the lateral and the medial side of the pair of shoes. The reverse of the tongue comes in the same really nice slate gray, and of course you get the Air Jordan patch, which again is kind of reversed. The outsole is that slate gray color. You've got some white kind of dashed in there at the top and the back, and of course you've got a really nice yellow Jumpman logo as well. I wish these dropped a little bit earlier in the year, kind of the beginning of summer, so we'd get a decent amount of time to rock these this summertime. It's kind of getting a little bit colder. Definitely still a decent amount of time to rock these. However, these are going to be great for next summer as well. I guess these probably, for me personally, look great in a pair of shorts. I think it just goes for Jordan 4s in general. At least that's my opinion. I love to wear Jordan 4s with a pair of shorts. I think they match up really, really well. And I think there's a lot to work with here. You don't get any extra laces in here. However, I would probably think maybe some black laces or maybe even some gray laces could look really, really cool. However, again, you get the standard yellow up in the box. Now, of course, for sizing, personally, I go true to size with the Jordan 4. That fits me perfectly, so that's what I'm going to recommend to you guys. Again, this year for Jordan 4s, it doesn't look like it's slowing down. It is looking really, really good. And again, being a massive Jordan 4 fan, I'm super happy about this one. This colorway is a banger. I'm super, super happy to get it in hand. So let me know, guys, what do you think of the Jordan 4 Lightning? Do you like this colorway? Is it something you're going to be going for on August the 28th? Let me know down in the comment section. But that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then.